shot. Okay. So go? Okay. I can fix that. Okay, wait, this is pause part. Did you forget Barbie's question? Oh, okay. Oops.
I don't understand the question.
What?
I don't understand the question.
Well, I don't understand explaining what Wombi feels are. Okay, Wombi feels like it's like your OTP. You don't know what that means, do you? It's OTP. It's like your favorite couple, like what you ship so hard with. Yeah. Okay. Here is probably. I don't want to say it because it's embarrassing. Like there was a rope in the middle and we were climbing up it. I don't know how that rope was staying there, but we were climbing up that rope. We were climbing up it.
Again.
Spy Kids. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the question was meant like, what do you want to be in life? And what is your biggest fear?
Okay.
But that works too.
I want to be an aerospace engineer. Good job. Yeah. It's been on this planet inactive through the beginning of time, except for, since humans arrived.
For a long time.
Yes. And it occurred to me that recently many people have been getting it and the epidemic has been growing. So... Hi.
Okay.
Yes. Oh my God! We just got infected. Infected.
You also have a dirty jacket.
And pants. And in my hair I just washed it. Oh, you poor child. Okay. Your face is so dry. Ethan, help me! Look how dirty your pants are. That's awesome. It's so infected. Is that a real word? Confected?
I guess it is now.
Okay. Confected.
Contagious and infected.